Come on, everybody. You are on the channel for English for Biology majors, which is brought to you by Tzu Chi University's Susan Ye. We hope after you learn this class, you will think biology is fun and to read biology book is piece of cake. Let's go, yay! Hello, everyone. Today we are going to finish lesson 22, but first we need to review what we've learned last time. For examination, we could use this suffix scopy, S-C-O-P-Y, and for instrument for examining or observing, we use this suffix scope, S-C-O-P-E. As for observe, which is a verb, we use scopo, S-C-O-P-O or S-C-O-P-Y. And for excision, removal surgically, we use ectomy, this suffix, E-C-T-O-M-Y. And this suffix, ectomize, E-C-T-O-M-I-Z-E, can be used as a verb to describe something that is removed surgically. And for removal, we could also use these three prefixes, AB or DE or EX. As for suture, sewing things together, repair, we use this suffix, RRHAPHY. And the same suffix can be used to describe an operation of repair. For incision, cut in, we use this suffix tomy, T-O-M-Y. And the same suffix can be used to describe the operation of cutting. And instrument for cutting is the suffix T-O-M-E. For cut or cutting, the action of cut or cutting, we could use these two prefixes, sect, S-E-C-T or T-O-M. Now let's finish lesson 22, which are the prefix and suffix that related to examinations and procedures. First, for plastic surgery, we could use this suffix, plasty, P-L-A-S-T-Y. Let's see our example. The first one is genioplasty. We've learned genial before. It means the chin. So genioplasty is the plastic surgery of the chin. And stomatoplasty is the plastic repair of defects of or reconstruction of the mouth. Like when we have a defect for the mouth, we could perform the stomatoplasty. See, the baby was born with a defect, but then during the 6 months, when she was 6 months old, a stomatoplasty was performed on her. So at the 7 months, she looked a lot better. And then when she's 8 years old, you can hardly see the scar. For instrument for writing or recording, we could use this suffix graph, G-R-A-P-H. And our example is cardiograph. Cardiograph is an instrument designed to record some element of the heartbeat. Remember, the prefix cardio means heart, right? And as the action of writing, we could use this prefix, grapho, G-R-A-P-H-O. Our example is graphoanalysis. Graphoanalysis is an analysis of personality based on handwriting, which is quite popular among people. I guess we all have the urge to know more about ourselves. So when some people say, well, I can do a graphical analysis on your handwriting and tell you about who you are, it becomes very popular. As for methods of recording, we use this suffix graphy, G-R-A-P-H-Y, and our example is calligraphy. Calligraphy is an artistic, stylized, or elegant handwriting or lettering. This is Chinese calligraphy, and in English word, they also have the English calligraphy, which has to use special designed pen, like Chinese calligraphy has to use the paintbrush. The action of record, we could use this suffix graph, G-R-A-P-H, or the prefix grapho, G-R-A-P-H-O. Let's see our example. Our example for graph is mammograph. Mammograph is the record of the mammography, which is a radiography of the mammary gland. Like in this PowerPoint, we show two different mammographs. On the left is the normal breast. On the right, which is a breast with breast cancer, you can see there's the mammograph shows an uniform structure of the breast, and here is where the tumor is. For describing that which is drawn, written, or recorded, we use this suffix gram, G-R-A-M. Let's see our example, like dactylogram. Remember what we learned about dactylo? Dactylo means digit, finger or toes. And dactylogram is a fingerprint taken for purpose of identification. And pulmogram, the prefix pulmo, P-U-L-M-O, which we learned before, is a radiograph, means lung. So pulmogram is a radiograph of the lungs. And as for instrument used in measuring, we use this suffix meter, M-E-T-E-R. Our example is saccharometer, which we learned before. Remember the prefix saccharol, S-A-C-C-H-A-R-O, means sugar. Saccharometer is a device which is shown in this PowerPoint for estimating the proportion of sugar in a solution. A saccharometer may be either a polarimeter because sugars have light polarity, or it can be a hydrometer or a closed container in which the volume of carbon dioxide produced by fermentation may be acid. One way or the other, they can all be called saccharometer. As for measurement, the action of measurement, we use this suffix metry, M-E-T-R-Y. Our example is cytometry or cytometry is the characterization and the measurement of cell and the cellular constituents. And here we show a machine called flow cytometer or flow cytometer. Flow cytometer, when we prepare a cell and flow it through tubes, it can read every cell and then give a reading and classify them as different type of cell. So it's called flow cytometer, and the action of doing a flow cytometer is a flow cytometry. To describe things that are related to spectrum or image, we could use this prefix spectral, S-P-E-C-T-R-O. Our example is spectral photometer. Spectral photometer, as shown in this PowerPoint, is an apparatus for estimating the quantity of coloring matter in solution by the quantity of light absorbed, and usually it is indicated by the spectrum in passing through the solution. And we put the sample here, and then this will show the reading. Spectrophotometer is a very commonly seen instrument in any laboratory. One more example is spectrograph. Spectrograph is an instrument for photographing spectra on a sensitive photographic plate. This is one of the spectrograph, and there's a lot of those spectrograph can be used for biomedical research like mass spectrograph. Now we've finished lesson 22. Let's review what we've learned this time. For plastic surgery, we use this suffix plasty, P-L-A-S-T-Y. For instrument for writing or recording, we use this suffix graph, G-R-A-P-H. For writing, we use grapho, G-R-A-P-H-O, which is a prefix. And as methods of recording, we use this suffix graphy, G-R-A-P-H-Y. For record, or the action of record, we could use the suffix graph, G-R-A-P-H, or the prefix grapho, G-R-A-P-H-O. As of that which is drawn, written, or recorded, we could use this suffix gram, G-R-A-M. As of the instrument used in measuring, we could use this suffix meter, M-E-T-E-R. For measurement, the action of measurement, we could use this suffix metry, M-E-T-R-Y. For spectrum or image, we could use this prefix spectro, S-P-E-C-T-R-O. Now we finished lesson 22. We will also give you the quiz for this lesson. Next time when we come back, we will start with lesson 23. See ya! English for Biology Major is brought to you by TCU's English for Biology Major course team. If you have any questions, don't forget to visit our FB fans page. The website is here, and you can also scan the QR code to reach to our FB fans page. This course is sponsored by Centers for Faculty Development and Instructional Resources of TCU.